Hello everyone and welcome, and this is my review of the RX-75 Guntank. Oh my, I can say that this is the easiest kit I have ever built, really, ever. I said this before with the rain car kit, but this is really, I finished that kit in 4 hours and a half, if I remember well, and this one I finished it in 1 hour and a half, around 1 hour 45, somewhere there. And it's very easy to assemble everything. It's, you know, built very well, and it's easy to put together, easy to cut. I didn't need a lot of sanding, to be honest, and it doesn't have stickers. Yeah, it doesn't have stickers at all. And I was saying about rain car kit that it's a good choice if you are getting into this hobby, but I am changing my mind right now. I can say that the Guntank really is the best kit for a beginner, and it's not too big, to be honest. It's let's say, I think it has like maybe 10-15 centimeters with the guns. This kit is from the 2000, and this was like 26 years ago. And for a 26 years old kid, I can give 10 out of 10. The plastic, this one right here, it feels cheap, I have to be honest. This one right here, it feels a bit more, let's say, stylish. The quality is better than this one here, and here the quality is better too. Here the quality is better here, but all the blue parts, they feel like really cheap plastic. But we need to understand that this kit has 26 years since it have been made, so yeah, we need to give it a break. You can see the pilot right here. You can't take it out, it's just a piece of plastic that you can fit in. And the hardest part for me to fit in was these yellow dots here. The manual was in full Japanese, and of course I don't know Japanese, and it was easy somehow. I could, follow the numbers here, and it was very easy to put together. On the previous kits I had everything in English, but this was not a barrier for me. I think if this would be my first kit, yeah, probably I would struggle a bit. I received this from Italy, and it's funny, seriously, because I supposed to get this in 48 hours. Then I received a message that it's being sent from Italy, Bergamo. I was shocked, and then it went to France, and from France it went to UK, and it's really, really crazy. As you can see here, it has this stuff in Italian: attenzione, non è un giocattolo. Yeah, it's not a game. Yeah, it's funny. I noticed something, that the barcodes here, they've been stick together with some tape, and I was thinking that maybe some pieces are missing from the kit, but actually it didn't. The box was a bit damaged, but let's be honest, I mean, I paid 15 pounds in total for the kit. I think the delivery, the delivery cost more than the kit itself, which is very funny. I don't know. It's just they said 48 hours, not 8 days. Yeah, but it's a beautiful kit. Seriously, stay with me, because I'll make a small sideshow video like the previous reviews. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more Gundam stuff, and I will see you in the next one.